I am recording now. Can you please um, tell me when was your interview? Hello, Muhammad Ashik Shika.
Yes, sir.
Your interview was
Yes.
on which date?
On 9th May,
9th.
sir.
Acha, acha. Acha, your internet is not good. Why don't you come out of your house
9th.
or come and sit outside so that your signal is good? You are
Yes, sir.
staying in Visakhapatnam?
Yes, sir. Vishakhapatnam, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Good, good. So how long was the did you send the questions they asked?
Yes, sir. I
Acha, acha.
have sent,
So
sir.
you already sent it. Very good. Congrats. Now, can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
me
Very helpful, sir. Your suggestions.
what are the
You told
questions?
to be, uh, sir.
Yeah, what are the
The
questions they
questions.
asked?
First of all, self introduction, sir.
Okay. Then,
Later about my family.
okay.
When sir, my then immediately they asked about weakness, sir. What are my weakness?
Okay.
Which sports I play?
Okay. What is the sports you are playing? Football.
Cricket, sir. I told cricket.
Or cricket. Very good. Very good. Then,
Later about share market. What do you know about share market? When I told about financial figures, they asked about share market, sir.
sir, do you know about share market?
No, sir. I told no, sir. You told us, sir, if you don't know any answer, say no.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
told that I will learn about it in future.
Very good. That is good. Then,
Even they asked about Byju's, sir. What do you know about Byju's? Why that Byju's is falling down? What is
yeah,
the reason for its collapse?
yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. And
Byju's.
even about UPI. Yes, sir.
They asked.
Byju's. I
They
told that
asked.
Byju's.
Byju's.
They asked it, sir, about Byju's.
What did you tell?
I told that Byju's got so much reputation in the time of Corona, as in that time there was no offline coaching classes. Now everything Corona has gone, so it got downfall. Even because of the advertisements given by Byju's,
Mm,
heavy expenditure put on advertisements. I told, sir, all those things.
mm. Good, good, good.
Even
Now
they
we
asked
will
about
we, share
name of
market.
stocks.
Mm, speak, speak. Your internet is totally bad. You are
Again,
speak.
situational question they asked it, sir.
What is the situation question?
Sorry, sir. Uh,
What?
Situation question is your employee has fraudly managed 500 rupees from account, sir.
Mm.
Sir,
Your
then
employee
you
has
will
taken.
support him or
Yeah, you will support him or not? Correct.
in account, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
He has.
Correct, sir.
He has. He has misappropriated 500 rupees. He has taken 500 rupees. Correct.
No, sir. While accounts managing, wrongly he
Mm.
has 500 rupees less, sir.
Acha, acha. You mean in cash?
In cash.
Okay. Then what did
You
you
will
say?
support him. You will support him or report to the higher authorities, sir.
What did you say?
I will report to the higher authorities because today it is 500, tomorrow it may be 5,000, and day after tomorrow 10,000. Like that, I told. Sir.
Yes. Okay. Good.
Yes,
That
sir.
is bad. But practically, what happens is, in such cases, the employee will be asked to compensate 500 rupees, and then the matter will be sorted out with that. If there is shortage of 500 or increase excess of 500 and all, normally it may not be reported to higher authorities, but doesn't matter. Whatever you have said is okay. Fine. Good. What is your father, Ashik Shika? Ashik Shika. What is your father?
He's
Is hello. Moni, are you able to hear his
am I
voice?
audible, sir?
No, no, not
Hello, sir.
audible.
No,
Not
sir,
audible.
actually, he's not audible. His voice is breaking a lot.
Your voice is breaking a lot. From where are you speaking, Mr. Mohammed?
He's a
Are,
businessman.
no, are you
He's a
sitting?
businessman, sir.
No, no. Are you sitting from inside the room or outside the room?
Outside room I came, sir.
But even then, it is not coming clearly. Why? Why don't you go to some open space so you get good signal without any hindrance? Anyhow,
Yes, sir.
doesn't matter. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Yes, sir.
God help you. Best wishes. Did you join the group for selected candidates?
Yes, sir. I joined, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Now,
They asked
Now
about
his
my
voice
course
is
subject.
audible, sir.
now audible. Now audible. From where are you? Now have you moved out of your previous place?
Yes, sir.
ముందు ఏమో ఎక్కడ కూర్చారో దాని నుంచి బయటికి వచ్చారా అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. నో ప్రాబ్లం.
Yes, sir. I came.
అచ్చా ఠీక్ హై. ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్ యూ వాంట్ టు టెల్ మీ?
Yes, sir. They asked about my core subject, sir, geoinformatics, as you told, sir.
యా వచ్చా యు ఆర్
Very
దట్
deep
ఆంధ్ర
analysis.
యూనివర్సిటీ. యు ఆర్ దట్ ఆంధ్ర
Yes, sir.
యూనివర్సిటీ బాయ్ నా? ఓ బాబా.
Andhra University, sir. Very
అచ్చా
limited member selected, sir, from
యా
our class.
మోనికా, this boy is from Andhra University. You know, from Andhra University, nearly 7 or 8 candidates came to me. Only 2
Oh,
were selected. And out of that, this boy studied some useless subject, geoinformatics, and
okay.
still he managed to answer the questions
Yes, sir.
properly. They asked
Sir,
very same questions that I asked him in mock interview.
yes, sir.
More or
Very same question, sir. More they went into core, sir, my subject.
yeah,
Why
more or less
geoinformatics? What are geoinformatics? Or
more or less similar to what I asked. They asked, and luckily he was able to answer well. And what is your father, Shikshika? ఏం
he's a
చేస్తుంటారు?
businessman, sir.
బిజినెస్ అంటే ఏం బిజినెస్?
Chemicals business, sir.
అచ్చా, వెరీ గుడ్. బెస్ట్ విషెస్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, Anna.
Thank you, Monica. You're from which state, Monica?
మోనికా
I'm
is
from
from
Telangana, Hyderabad.
Oh,
Hyderabad.
okay, Monica.
He is a visually impaired candidate going for United India Insurance interview for
Oh, okay.
administrative officer. She is she is now studying MBA in another institute, but she has passed out BCom last year. So she is going for administrative officer interview.
Okay, sir.
Very thank you, Shika. Best wishes. God
Thank you.
bless you.
Sir, one suggestion you gave me, no, sir, that one affected very well, sir. That
What is
be
that?
confident and smile throughout the interview.
Yeah.
Very well,
You,
sir. I followed that one only, sir. You told us, sir, I'm not eat you, I'll not any beat you. The same one I followed, sir.
you have to be more confident at the same time, be smiling. Now, in the case of Monica, though you cannot see others, you can always present yourself as a confident person with a
Sure, sir.
smiling face.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, Monica, for a change, we are going to another paper because there is not much of a time before us. So I'm
Yes.
not continuing with the previous questions paper we were doing. Now I am going to olive board insurance, which
Okay, sir.
you might have studied for your written examination.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you would have studied that. Now I am taking up insurance important abbreviations. I'm
Okay,
going to important abbreviations, page number 25.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Hold on.
Sure, sir.
I'm sorry you can't see it on the screen, but still it is, I'm showing on the screen. Abbreviations. In the case of vehicle policy, say, what is the abbreviation? ADB informs. What is ADB? A for Apple, D for Delhi, B for Bombay. ADB means what? Can you guess, Miss Monica?
I couldn't recall, sir.
It is accidental death benefit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Accidental death benefit. BPF. BPF. Taking P for premium. BPF means basic premium factor. Basic premium
Premium
factor.
factor.
Yeah. Next one. EPLI, employment practices liability insurance. Employment practices liability
Liability
insurance.
insurance.
GAP, guaranteed auto protection. GDP. This I think you must be able to tell me. What is GDP?
Gross domestic product, actually.
Correct. And I suggest you get to know the explanation also for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then GDPI means gross direct premium income from the angle of insurance companies. GDPI means gross direct premium income. GWP means gross written premium. Then III means Insurance Institute of India. Insurance Institute of India. NPV means net present value. Then ROE means return on equity. ROI means return on investment. In the case of insurance companies, UP means unearned premium. UNL means ultimate net loss. YTM means yield to maturity. Have you heard of PMJJBY? What is the expansion for that?
Pradhan
Monica,
Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bhima Yojana.
good. Very good. What is the premium now for that?
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bhima Yojana.
Yeah,
I think, sorry, sir. Sir, it is 436 rupees.
correct. For 1 year, 436 rupees. It is
Yes, sir.
always operative from 1st June of each
Yes, sir.
year, 31st May of subsequent year. How much death benefit will be given for this?
2 lakhs.
Good. What is the maximum age of entry for Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana?
18 to 50 years, sir.
It is given as 55. 18 to 50. Yeah. 50, correct. 18 to 50. Maximum maturity age is 50. It's given as. Acha. 18 to 50 you can take. Up to 55 it can go.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, very good. Does it have 80C income tax benefit? Yes. The
Yes, sir.
answer is
Yes.
yes. Miss Monica, have you heard PMSBY? What is it?
Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana.
Good. What is the entry age?
Same, even 18 to 50, sir.
Wrong. 18 to
60.
70. 18 to 70.
70. Okay, okay, sir.
What is the premium rate?
20 rupees, sir.
Very good. Accidental death cover, total permanent disability. How much?
Sir, I don't know this. 1 lakh, I guess, sir.
2 lakhs.
Okay, okay.
Permanent partial disability is 1 lakh.
Okay, okay, sir.
Miss Monica, what is Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana? Which company is running this?
I don't know, sir.
It is run by LIC. It is a
Yes, sir.
fixed. It is a fixed deposit like thing where they will. It is for senior citizens.
Okay, sir.
Good. 1 minute. I was just going through this. Yeah. Now, please, you get to know about it. Okay. Hello. You please get to know about what is that? Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Or,
Sure, sir. Sure.
yeah. Next one is, have you heard of Fasal Bima Yojana? What is it? Hello, you don't know.
Sir, Fasal Bima Yojana is given to the farmers. I guess, sir.
Guess if you say guess, you will get half mark less.
Ayyo. Okay.
You should
It's given to the
say
farmers.
yeah for it is for crop insurance. Just tell that will do.
Okay. It is for
Good,
crop insurance.
very good. Can you expand the name of the institute? IIRM. It is related to insurance.
Insurance.
IIRM. IIRM.
IARM.
Institute of Insurance and Risk Management.
Okay, sir.
It is situated in your city, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, sir.
It is promoted by the regulator. Who is the regulator of insurance?
IRDAI.
Correct. Good. Very happy. Next question.
Inch.
What is DICGC?
Sir, I don't know about this, sir.
DICGC. I think one more candidate has come now. Another candidate has come. Niharika Agarwal. Niharika, please unmute. Niharika. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Niharika, you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, I am for PNB credit.
Oh, very good. Congrats, congrats. The date has not come, na? Of course, your result has not come yet, correct? Niharika. Niharika's internet is totally not good.
Hello.
Niharika, your internet is not all right? You are not, are you
Sir,
able
now
to
it's
hear?
fine.
Are you able to
Sir, now
hear
it's
me? Now it is
yes,
fine.
sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me, Niharika, what is DICGC?
So it's a
Nihari,
subsidiary of RBI, and it provides credit guarantee to the to the depositors.
mm, mm. Yeah, let me tell. Monica, DICGC is one of the subsidiaries of RBI,
Okay, sir.
and its chairman is Mr. M.D. Patro, the
Okay, sir.
Deputy Governor of RBI.
Okay, sir.
DICGC is giving guarantee up to per individual in a bank up to rupees 5 lakh. If any individual or a company has deposits in a bank, up to 5 lakhs is guaranteed by DICGC. And towards
Okay, sir.
this, DICGC is collecting premium from the banks at the rate of 12 paise per rupees 100. Okay. And the premium is paid by the bank only, not by the customers. So this is DICGC. Miss Monica, you must know also about the subsidiaries of RBI.
Okay, sir.
You know what are the subsidiaries of RBI?
I don't know, sir.
First of all, what is RBI? Tell me.
RBI is the Central Bank of India, that is Reserve Bank of India, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hello, sir.
Correct.
The
Tell me.
governor of RBI,
Huh.
the governor of RBI is Shakti Kant Das at present,
Hmm.
and remaining 3 deputy governors are T. Ravishankar ji,
Hmm.
Mr. Michael Patra,
Hmm.
and Mr. Rajeshwar Rao, sir.
And one more, Janaki Raman Swaminathan.
Yeah, Janaki Raman Swaminathan.
Yeah. The functions of RBI are: number one, bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and monetary policy authority. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, I was asking you about subsidiaries. Subsidiaries, see, what are the powers of Reserve Bank of India? It has got powers for licensing of banks, then
Okay.
branch expansion, and then
Okay.
also liquidity of their assets, management and methods of working, amalgamation, reconstruction. What are the important acts of RBI? One, RBI Act 1934, Banking Regulation Act 1949, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, Securitization and reconstruction of financial assets, and the Enforcement of Security Interest Act, SURFACE 2002, Credit Information Companies Regulation Act 2005. And the subsidiaries are DICGC, Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. It is a currency printing office. Okay. A Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, REBIT. Then Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services. Also one more, RBI Innovation Hub. That is not here. RBI Innovation Hub. Could you follow, Monica? Monica, could you hear me? Monica, could you hear me? Like some problem. Monica, are you able to hear me? Niharika, are you
Sir,
able to? Niharika, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yeah, Monica, I think your internet went out of order for some time.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, Monica, tell me, were you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I was telling you that I can able to hear you.
But it was not coming. I could not hear that.
Okay.
There was some problem. No, doesn't matter. No issue. Just a minute. Yeah. So then, do you know what is meant by ECGC, Nigarika? Sorry. Our Monica,
I
you
don't
don't.
know, sir.
You are going for United India Insurance. You must know about ECGC. Niharika, can you read what is put on the screen? Please read.
So ECGC Limited, it is formerly known as Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited. It was set up in 1957 with the objective of promoting exports from the country by providing credit risk insurance and related services for exports. So am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Continue.
Okay. It functions under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It is an export promotion organization seeking to improve the competitiveness of the Indian exporters by providing them with credit insurance covers. ECGC keeps its premium rates at the optimal level.
Yeah. Now, a separate question for Niharika. What is the connection between banks and ECGC and credit management? What is the connection? You have any idea? How can you relate banks, ECGC? Can you tell me?
So,
Niharika? Yeah.
sir, it may be in the way of the non-fund based facilities which the banks provide for exports, like letter of credit and bank guarantees.
Wrong. See,
Sorry, then I have no idea.
ECGC is giving full turnover packing credit guarantee to banks which are financing exporters for exports, that is packing credit, and post shipment credit, that is after the shipment is made. These two are covered by ECGC up to 75%. So that is the connection between banks and ECGC. Banks are lending full turnover pre-shipment guarantee and packing credit as well as post-shipment guarantee credits. These are covered by ECGC. That is the connection between bank and ECGC. Not only that, ECGC is giving it, say, policy coverage to exporters. Exporters have to submit a statement every month giving details of exports made and making premium payment to ECGC. So such shipments are covered by ECGC in case the importer is not paying the money or there is some problem between importing country and exporters country, that is our country. So under those circumstances, commercial risks and political risks are covered by ECGC. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. Now, next one is ESI, Employees State Insurance Corporation. Please read this, Nigarika.
Employees State Insurance Corporation is a statutory corporate body set up under the ESI Act 1948, which is responsible for administration of ESI scheme. It is a self-financing scheme. The ESI funds are primarily built out of contribution from employers and employees payable monthly at a fixed percentage of wages paid. The state governments also bear 1/8 share of the cost of medical benefit. Prescribed wage limit of an employee by the central government is 21,000.
I don't know whether it has been raised. 1 minute. Let us search Google India ESI wage limit. $21,000 only. It is appearing as 21,000 only. No problem. It is correct only. Good. Very good. Now one more candidate has come. Mannu Verma. Mannu Verma, you are appearing for which interview? His mic is not connected yet. No problem. Next one, we are going to next point, insurance repository. Miss Niharika, can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Please
A
read.
company registered under the Companies Act 1956 and which has been granted a certificate of registration by IRDA for maintaining data of insurance policies in electronic form on behalf of insurers is called insurance repository. Insurance repositories cannot sell or solicit insurance policies. It provides a service record of all insurance policies. IRDA has granted the certificate of registration to the following 5 entities to act as insurance repositories. These 5 are NSDL Database Management Limited, SHCIL Projects Limited, Carby Insurance Repository Limited, Central Insurance Repository Limited, and CAMS Repository Services Limited.
Good. Continue. An individual
Cannot open multiple e-insurance accounts. An approved person is a point of sale appointed by insurance repository and will be working on behalf of insurance repository to extend the IR services.
Very good. Thank you. Now, we are going to read certain important terms related to insurance. Now, Mannu Verma, can you hear me? I think his internet is not connected. No problem. Miss Monica.
Sir,
Yeah. This is there in the book I have provided you, Olive Board Insurance. Here,
okay, sir.
I will not be covering all the things. I will cover some important terminologies only, for which our friend Niharika will help us in reading it. Then kindly listen. If you are getting any doubts, you please ask me.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, Miss Niharika, can you read actuaries? Niharika, Monica is visually impaired. She can't read. That is why I am asking only you to read, please.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Actuaries, please read.
Actuaries, a person with expertise in the field of economics, statistics, and mathematics who helps in risk assessment and estimation of premiums, etc. for an insurance business is called an actuary.
An important person. Who is an actuary? Good. Next, arbitration. Please read.
The procedure of making an insurance company and the insured agree to settle a claim dispute by a third party is called arbitration.
Again, read.
Same point?
Yeah.
Arbitration, it is the procedure of making an insurance company and the insured agree to settle a claim dispute by a third party is called arbitration.
Some other third person coming there is known as arbitration. Continue. Assigner.
Next point is assigner, a party or entity who transfers the right of the contract they hold to another party, that is assignee, is called the assigner.
See, for example, when I take a life insurance policy and I am going to take a loan from, say, Indian Bank, what I will do, I will assign that policy in favor of Indian Bank. Indian Bank in turn will send that LIC policy to LIC and get its assignment entered. The implication of that is, as long as that loan is not repaid, the insurance company has to pay the money first to Indian Bank only. Now, Miss, you please continue with next one, assignment.
Assignment, it means legal transference. It can be made by an endorsement on the policy document or as a separate deed. Assignment can be of two types, conditional and absolute.
Okay, next one.
Bancassurance. Bancassurance means selling insurance product through banks. Banks and insurance company come up in a partnership wherein the bank sells the tied insurance companies insurance products to its clients.
Miss Monica, this is a very important thing. Are you able to get this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bank assurance. Next one also you read, Niharika.
Business insurance, a policy which primarily provides coverage of benefits to a business as contrasted to an individual. It is issued to indemnify a business for the loss of services of a key employee or a partner who becomes disabled.
Next one,
Next is
co-insurance. No,
co-
next, co-insurance.
co-insurance, the percentage that you must pay to share responsibility for your medical claims after you meet your annual deductible. For example, your insurance provider might pay 80% of your claim, leaving you responsible for paying the remaining 20%.
Yeah, Monica may not know. Monica, what happens in the case of the health insurance? When you take an insurance and you are eligible to go and get treatment from the hospital, and when the bill is settled, out of 100 rupees, 80 rupees the company will pay. The first 20 rupees has to be paid by the insured. So that is known
Okay.
as co-insurance. Yeah. Next one, continue, Miss Niharika.
Collision coverage, the type of coverage that pays for the damages to your vehicle sustained as a result of a collision with another vehicle or object.
Continue.
Next is concealment. Concealment is the act of hiding or not putting forward any relevant fact in front of the insurer that need to be revealed. An applicant commits this fraudulent act intentionally or unintentionally that may lead to loss to the insurer.
Continue.
Contingent beneficiary. In a life insurance policy or an annuity plan, contingent beneficiary gets proceeds from the policy in the event of a demise of the primary beneficiary at the same time as that of the insured. Next is
that
credit
is
trap.
contingent beneficiary means mostly I think it refers to nominee. I don't know. Continue. Credit trap.
Credit trap, a form of financial guarantee insurance covering not all debts of the borrower, but a specific loan, debt issuance, or other financial transaction.
Continue.
Deficiency, the degree of risk inherent in a bond to which bondholders are subject. An issue that is fully defeased means that both bond principal and bond interest are at risk of loss in their entirety. Next is deferment period. It is the period between the date of subscription to an insurance cum pension policy and the time at which the first installment of pension is received.
Okay,
Next is embezzlement.
Hmm.
It means that fraudulent use or taking of another's property or money which has been entrusted to one's care.
Good. Continue.
Next is estoppel, a legal doctrine restraining a party from contradicting its own previous actions if those actions have been reasonably relied on by another party. For example, an insurer that has repeatedly accepted late premium payments from an insured may be stopped from later cancelling the policy on the basis of non-payment because the insured has been reasonably led to believe that late payments are acceptable.
No, it is like this, in the case of banks, when there is a current account, sometimes the party has been overdrawing and the bank has been allowing overdraft. After allowing overdraft continuously for some time, suddenly they cannot return a check for want of money because all these days they have been allowing, but now suddenly why they cannot disallow without informing the customer. It is like, um, this is a story that comes in Tamil. Like, uh, you know, a beggar comes to a house. So he will not find fault with a person who has not been paying, who has not been giving money every day. But a lady or a person who has been giving money every day, one day if he stops giving, then he will scold him. So that is what it is. Maybe it is there in your language also. Now, Niharika, you are from which state?
So I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
What is your degree?
So MBA.
MBA. You have finished MBA in finance or what?
In finance and marketing. It was dual specialization.
Dual specialization. Good, good, good. Miss, not Miss, what is his name? Valendra. Valendra, you are appearing for which interview? Mr. Balendra, you are appearing for which interview? You are speaking, but I am not able to hear you. Balendra, please message. Balendra. Internet is not all right. It doesn't matter. No problem. Valendra.
So he is also appearing for PNB credit officer.
Oh, fine, fine. Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. Yeah. Now we are going to the next one. Oh, thank you, Miss Niharika. Let me read for some time. Franchise insurance. It is a form of insurance in which individual policies are issued to the employees of a common employer or the members of an association under an arrangement by which the employer or association agrees to collect the premium and remit them to the insurer. See, in the case of our bank, we are retirees. For that, IBA is undertaking to collect premium from all of us and then remit to insurance companies. That is franchise insurance. Next point I'm going to read is grace period. It is a period after the premium due date during which an overdue premium may be paid without penalty. The policy remains in force throughout the period. This is normally applicable in the case of life insurance, where we are making payment of premium every quarter or every 6 months or 1 year. In the case of, say, quarterly premium and monthly premium and all that, they give 15 days time. Otherwise, in the case of annual premium, they normally give you 30 days time.
30 days. Yes.
Grace period. Next point is indemnity. Indemnity means making compensation payments to one party by the other for the loss incurred. This key man insurance policy It is a life insurance policy taken by a person on the life of another person who is or was his employee connected to his business in any manner whatsoever. For example, Miss Monica, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me who is Mr. Sundar Pichai? Have you
I
heard
don't
of?
know, sir.
You don't know. Niharika, you know who is Sundar Pichai?
Sir, he is CEO of Google.
Correct. He is CEO of Google company or Alphabet. You know, Google company would have taken a key man insurance policy in the name of Sundar Pichai to the tune of some billions of dollars because he is a very, very, very important person. So it is not only one person. They can take it in the name of 2 or 3 or 4 more people also who are all very important for the company. Monica, మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? Could you follow me?
Yes, 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 sir.
Very good. Then lapsed policy. A policy which has terminated and is no longer in force due to non-payment of premium is known as non-payment of premium due. Balendra, are you able to hear me? Your voice is not heard. I'm sorry, my picture is not seen. I put only a bunny, that is why I did like this. 1 minute. Yeah, doesn't matter. Now, Balendra, I am not able to hear you. Are you able to hear me? Please nod your head. You are able to hear me. But please speak. Please speak. You are not able to, your voice is not heard. No problem. Thank you. Lapsed policy we studied. Next one is very important, Monica. Mutual
Lapse
fund.
policy.
No,
Okay.
no, lapsed policy over. Life annuity that is not required because she is going for United India. Mutual fund. An investment company that raises capital by selling its own stock and then buying other securities as an investment with the proceeds generated is mutual fund. In other words, mutual funds, what they do, they sell units to the members, they collect the money, they pool it together, and then they invest in shares and debentures depending on the prospectus of the fund. And if the fund is able to make some gains, it will be sharing to the unit holders. Next one, moral hazard. Moral hazard is the risk factors that affects the decision of the insurance company to accept the risk. Perils. Perils means specific risk or cause of loss covered by an insurance policy, such as fire, windstorm, flood, or theft. Then penetration rate. Monica, this is very important. Penetration rate. It indicates the level of development of insurance sector in a country. Penetration rate is measured as the ratio of premium underwritten in a particular year of to the GDP. This we have already
Okay.
discussed. This we have already discussed.
Yes,
Policy
yes.
policy holder. The policy holder is the one who proposes to purchase the life insurance policy and pay the premium. The policy holder is the owner of the policy. Okay. Next is reinstatement. If an insured person fails to pay the premium due to various circumstances, and as a result, the insurance policy gets terminated, then the insurance coverage can be renewed. This process of putting the insurance policy back after a lapse is known as a reinstatement. I think this may not come in the case of general insurance. Mostly it comes in the case of life insurance. Next, very important one, reinsurance. It is a process whereby one entity takes on all or part of the risk covered under the policy issued by an insurance company in consideration of a premium payment. In other words, it is a form of insurance cover for insurance companies. Now, I will ask Niharika a question. Niharika, can you name a reinsurance company in our country? You must know it because you are studying
Sir,
for. Yeah, tell me, Moni. Moni, tell me.
hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, GIC is the reinsurance company in India, I think.
Correct. General Insurance Corporation of India.
Yes, sir.
Niharika, why you could not tell me? You must answer all the things. Insurance, banking, everything is interconnected. Okay? Very good. No problem. Now, these things are not very much important. Let me go to the other aspect. I will go to a very important point which will be useful for our credit people also. Yeah. First and foremost thing is, Niharika, can you tell me who is the chairman of IRDAI? Niharika, you remember? If you don't know, you tell me.
Sorry,
Sorry.
I can't recall for now. But it has changed recently.
No,
Here,
no.
Sir,
Yes,
he is Devashish Pandey.
correct. Debasish Panda.
yes.
Debasish Panda recently changed his staff selection commission chairman.
Yes, sir.
Rakesh, you said, I can't
Rakesh,
recall his
Rakesh
surname.
Ranjan.
Yes.
Anyhow, doesn't matter. I know we won't be able to remember, but we must remember Mr. Balendra and also our Niharika. We must remember these things in our mind. Just a minute. This is what is more important. Miss Monica, I'm going to read a very important topic in respect of insurance. I will give you three options. What is your name? Monica. Can you guess it correctly? What is the important topic under this insurance for United India Insurance AO interview? Please tell me.
Sir,
What I will give.
work profile,
Okay, next. It is something to do with insurance.
leadership.
It is something to do with insurance, not HR related.
Okay.
Insurance. Whenever we talk of insurance, which points are all more important? I'm sorry, I'm expecting too much from you. The answer is principles of insurance.
Okay, sir.
So I shall I request Niharika, are you able to see it clearly?
Yes, sir.
I know I know all principles of insurance, sir.
Tell me, Monica, tell me.
First one is principle of insurable interest, principle of utmost good faith, principle of indemnity, principle of contribution, principle of subrogation, principle of loss minimization, and principle of proximate cost.
Super. Good. See, Niharika, how nicely she is telling. She has got visually impairment, but still those people are empowered with memory.
Yes.
They remember it. In fact, I told our Monica also, I know of a person who retired as a professor of education from a leading university in Delhi. Whenever I used to go along with him in the car, he will tell, supposing we have to go from one place to another, he will say, please take right turn in the third signal. Please take left turn in the fourth signal. Like that, he will tell. But you and I cannot remember to that extent because we don't give importance for that one. Doesn't matter. Now, I will ask our friend Nika, what is our name? Monica. Monica, can you tell me what is principle of contribution?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so when a person takes the insurance from yes, sir, I'll tell once again. When a person takes insurance from more than one insurance company for a same subject or a same matter, he does not claim the insurance for his profit, sir.
Here it is given, the insurers must share the burden of payment in proportion to the amount insured by each. If one of the insurer pays the whole loss, he is entitled to contribution from other insurers. One party takes insurance from 2 or 3 insurance companies, then they have to pay according to the proportion in which the insurance has been taken by him. And supposing he takes an insurance of, say, 5 lakhs from United India, 10 lakhs from New India, and 15 lakhs from, say, national insurance. Then at the time of settlement of the claim also, it has to be done in the same way. 5, 10, 15, whatever the order in which I told you. Could you follow that, Monica, to some extent?
Yes,
Monica,
sir.
now that is, supposing one has insured, let me take similar amounts. So one has insured in 1, 2, 3 insurance companies, 5, 10, 15 lakhs for the same property which has been damaged, then the proportion of loss incurred will also be shared in the same way. 5 is to 10 is to 15. समझ गया? अर्थమైందా?
Okay.
Very good. And they will ask you this question: what is principle of utmost good faith? Can you tell with an example? Please tell me. What is your name? Monica. Monica, principle of utmost good faith.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will read out. Please listen. Principle of
Okay.
utmost good faith. Each party must reveal all material information to the other party, whether such information is asked or not. There should not be any fraud or non-disclosure or misrepresentation of the material facts. The famous example in this case, I think we studied yesterday, is that when a person takes a life insurance policy and he has not revealed that he is a smoker, then the insurance company can disown its claim or in the event of his death. Monica, could you follow
That
now?
means they should not hide anything from each other.
Excellent. Excellent. This is,
Sir, for this, what I read is, sir, the insurance contract must be signed by the both parties, that is, insurance company and insured person,
yeah,
with with a good, with an absolute good faith, trust, and belief, sir. They should not
yeah,
hide anything from each other. I read like this.
yeah. We should not hide anything from each other. For example, you're all too young. In the case of marriage, supposing you go for marriage, you are supposed to reveal fully to the other person. But fully revealing again is another complication. Let me not go into further details, but what will happen in the event of not revealing later on, if something is revealed, it may put us into problem. Next is I will ask Niharika. Niharika, can you explain what is principle of insurable interest?
Sorry, sir, I have no idea.
It's a very important thing. You are a credit officer, you must know it. First of all, let me ask you one simple question to you, Niharika. Why banks are insuring the uh, properties of customers, of their borrowers? Why? Why?
Sir,
Niharika,
yes,
can you tell me why are they insuring? You can't tell means please tell I don't know. No problem.
I don't know,
Niharika,
sir.
you don't know. Niharika,
She
the
has
answer.
some network issues, sir. That's what her voice is breaking. I could sense
Oh,
that.
yeah, maybe that is the reason. That, yeah, maybe voice internet breakage, correct. And the reason why banks are taking insurance is that they have insurable interest because the properties have been hypothecated to the bank or mortgaged to the bank or pledged to the bank. There are three types of famous charges that are given in the case of credits. When bank gives credit, they will take the security. If it is a immovable property, it is to be taken by mortgage, the mortgage of immovable property. But if it is a movable property, which is not surrendered to the bank, example, car, scooter, or properties in a shop where they are selling, say, refrigerator, air conditioners, etc., and they are supposed to remit the proceeds into the bank. That is known as hypothecation. In the case of gold, jewels, they are pledged to the bank. In the case of, there is a facility known as key cash credit. There will be a go down of the borrower. The goods will be stored inside the godown of the borrower. It will be kept under lock and key by the bank, and such a property also must be insured for fire or burglary or flood insurance and all that. So the three types of charges: mortgage, pledge, hypothecation. Bank is insuring because it has got insurable interest. They are charged to the bank. This is similar to a husband can take policy in the name of his wife, not somebody else's wife, of his wife. A father can take policy in the name of his son or daughter. Do you follow this? Because they have got insurable interest in this.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, anything else? Any doubts you are having? And Miss Monica, I want you to um, get to know in detail about all these 7 causes so that
Principles.
they
Okay,
may
sir.
ask you to explain about it.
Sure, sir.
Very good. Now, let me take another question paper. Let me take another question paper. Just a minute. Just a minute for 5 minutes. What happened? It's not coming. Where am I? I am here. Yeah, just a minute. Hold on. I am going to NI. NI is, I think I have given you paper known as NIACL or UIIC questions asked. Monica, I don't know whether you are aware of that. There is a paper wherein I have given you the questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I don't know why it is coming like this. How anybody computer people know? How can I avoid this? Nigarika, you know how to avoid this? This entire thing is obstructing. Why? Or I will close. Why
So
it is
this blur one,
blurred one? How to remove the blurred one? I will close and come again. I'll close this page and come again. Still it is not going, you see. Screen sharing has been stopped, doesn't matter. Nothing wrong. Okay. But this is not at all going. I don't know why. View. Why this blurred is happening? Excuse me, I'll just close it up now and restart again in Zoom. Please, all of you come again. Miss Monica, Miss Balendra, Miss Nigarika. Please, I will close it and come again, please.
okay, sir. Okay.